What up though? So I am here today to do a first impression / review of the L'Oreal foundation and concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. So as you guys can see right now, I've actually had it on for 5 hours, which I'll get to at the end of the video, as well as some pictures of me in the dark so you can see the flashback. But anyways, if you guys want to see me apply this foundation and kind of just like get this makeup look here, definitely keep watching. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the little button down below, hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And I think that's everything, so I will see you guys in the next clip. What up, you guys? Okay, so today's video, I'm getting all kinds of distracted. So today's video is going to be a review / first impressions of the new L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. So I have tried this foundation out a couple times just because I wanted to see how it looked, so I could kind of give you guys some tips and my impression of it. But it's going to be a first impression so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on the skin, how it applies, that kind of thing. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, I need a primer. So I'm going to use my Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer Base. And I'm just going to apply this to my T-zone area because of course that's where I have pores at. So yeah. And I guess I have a couple other new products that I guess I'll use in this video. Just because I mean I have no other reason or no reason not to. I guess I'll do a look that you could wear for Valentine's Day. I have a couple new products I didn't show you guys. So I know I said in an older video, not older, but like a couple videos back, that I had ordered some Kylie Cosmetics products. I got a highlighter and I ended up getting the summer palette, I think, maybe. I don't know, but I got this, and then of course, I don't know if I've showed it, but I got the Kylie Jordan palette as well, and I got a highlighter. So yeah, I guess we'll use all of that stuff in this video, or some of it rather, because we can't use all of it. But I'm rambling. Let's get started. So I'm going to use a brush. The brush I'm going to use today is the Ultimate Blending Brush from e.l.f. And I'm just going to squirt the foundation on it. And I am the shade 510 Hazelnut, which is actually a little dark for me in natural light. And I'm just gonna like press this into my skin, but it's a little dark for me in natural light. I don't know why, because it honestly looked like it would be too light for me, and it's not like a perfect match, I will say that, but it is probably gonna be the closest that I can get. So for me, the best coverage and the best application is when I press it, kind of stipple it into the skin. It does have a liquid like a runny consistency, so you definitely are going to lose some product like inside the brush if you go too crazy. So I just do like one side of my face, pump, and then other side of my face. So yeah, legit, I have not been wearing foundation a lot. So if you guys watched my 7-minute video, it probably wasn't the last video I uploaded, but it was like one of the last videos. That's pretty much been my routine for like all day, like all month, just because I just don't really like, I don't know, like I've been having some health issues, so for me it's kind of been a struggle to like my skin has kind of like been reacting to the health issues I'm having, so that's that. I also have the L'Oreal concealer, and this is in the color Almond, 410 Almond, and I'll put this down in the description box. Am I like, alright, so what I'm going to do is just apply this underneath my eyes. And I think my nephew is up, so I'm going to go check on him. Actually, I'm going to blend this out first before I go check on him. And I'm just going to use the same brush to kind of make sure that everything blends smoothly. So I like the consistency of the concealer a lot. Like, I think I like the concealer more than I like the foundation. One thing I've noticed about the foundation, besides that it's runny, is that it gets really oily. Like, no matter what I set it with, I get oily. So I'm not a fan of that, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. I think I'm also going to take this and conceal my forehead. It's definitely, like, if you can see, it's already taking my face up a few shades. So, you know, if you're looking to highlight with it, it'll do that for you. I'm not gonna have anything for the, hey Miles, for the Kylie concealer to do. I took that way too high up. Alright, so I've bronzed. I have applied everything. I put on concealer. I didn't use the Kylie concealer today. I don't know why, I just didn't feel like it was necessary. So let's go on to my brows and then maybe an eye look for you guys. Alright, so for brows, I'm going to use this thing by L'Oreal, the Havana collection. You guys know I love this thing, and I'm very sad because I don't know how I can reproduce it. Next, I'm going to apply some highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics. This is in the color Cheers Darling. Looks like this. It is a gold, really pretty gold color. It reminds me a lot of, what are my two gold highlights that I love? I'm trying to think. It's honestly like a cross between the Jeffree Star one and the Anastasia one. So I'm not mad at it. Okay. Then I'm going to blend that out a little because, you know, can't be looking all cray. A little more highlight. Alright, so let's move on to eyes. And the two palettes I have today are the Kylie Jordan palette, which looks like that. And I also have the Kylie Summer palette, which looks, oops, like that. And I honestly have not had a chance to dig into either one of these like a lot. So we're gonna just see what we go with. I feel like I want to use the summer palette though. Like, is that bad? I want to use the summer palette. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here. This is called Suns Out Buns. Nope. Need a Tan, I guess. I think might be what we're looking at. And that is pretty pigmented. If you guys see, I only like applied one swipe. And it's already, you know. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. I think this is a summer palette. I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with this reddy shade here called Aquaholic. And a little bit of the red shade right beside it. And apply this just right here. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this brown shade here. You may notice and hear my nephew in the background. He has decided to join us. Yes. I really like this shade. I wonder what would happen. Alright, so I really like these two shades here. Wait. I really like this shade here and this shade here. So I think I'm going to apply them both to the lid. So first, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which I think is Heat Wave. And I'm going to apply this to the outer portion of my lid. That's pretty. It's like a coppery color. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is called, I think, Hottie. And we're gonna apply that to the inner third. And just kind of blend it together in the middle.
Now.
Yeah, we're gonna go let Lily in right now. What up, peeps? Okay, so for my inner corner, I think I'm gonna go into the Kylie Jordan palette and go in with this super pretty gold color called Loyal. And I love that this one has the names on the front of it. Just cause I don't know, I prefer it. And I don't know, it just makes me feel better. And I feel like this complements that color from the other palette really well. Alright, so next we're going to go in with some liner. And for liner, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Roulette shadow. And we're going to hope this goes well because it's been a while since I did a liner. Okay, that didn't turn out too terrible, so let's try for the other eye and hope that it goes smoothly. For mascara, I'm going to use this primer first, and then I'm going to use some fibers and then actual mascara. So I'm going to go in with the mascara first, and then I'm going to go in with the fibers, and then a second coat of mascara. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my faux lashes. These are from Tarte. I feel like these are the ones that always make my eyes hurt. There's like a brand, I have like 3 different brands, and one always makes my eyes water, and I think it's the Tarte ones. Alright, I'm following that up with an actual mascara. This is a Benefit Better Than Sex. Nope. Benefit, they're real. I'm sorry. Y'all can tell what my favorite mascara is, right? And I just got so messy. Ugh. That's one reason I don't like wearing mascaras, because I always get it everywhere. Alright, so I want to highlight my brow. So what I'm going to do is go into the, go into the highlighter. That way it kind of like matches everything else. I feel like I need a little bit more highlight. Or am I like tripping? Because you know I like a really bright highlight. Oh yeah, that works. Yeah. Alright, but your girl needs a little more glow here. So let's find my highlighting brush. Sis, what happened to the brush? Alright guys, so to finish off this look, I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, and I really like how this turned out. I would definitely wear it for Valentine's Day, like no question. All right, yeah, so we have finished up the full face. Actually I need some gloss. I need something on my lips. So we're gonna go in with this Kylie Cosmetics one. What's up, you guys? Okay, so I'm back because it is now almost 8 o'clock. I'm sorry, Louis has like a sneezing attack going on right now. So I've had the makeup on for about 5.5 hours. It still looks really well. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but like everything is still in place. There's no creasing underneath my eyes from the concealer or on my forehead or my chin. The foundation still looks like it's in place. It honestly looks like it may be like a couple hours old. Like, you know how your makeup ages throughout the day? This looks like, it doesn't look like, to me it doesn't look like it's 5 hours old. So I'm very happy about that. I still have really good coverage. Like, I haven't like started, you know, going anywhere. Like, legit, the makeup still looks bomb. Okay, I'm just like, I'm a little shook by it. I will say I'm a little bit oily in my T-zone area. If you guys can see, like, all of that glow is not from the highlight. Some of it is actually just like oils coming through. I am combination to oily skin. In the winter, I'm more like, not dry, but I'm just like, I'm not as oily. So the fact that I'm getting oily tells me that it's probably this foundation. So if you are an oily person all year long, I would definitely say set this. I did set mine with this Max Mineralized Skin Finish, which I didn't show you guys, but I did use the setting spray today, and that kind of like helped. My nephew is up. So yeah, I did set it with the spray, and then I set it with a powder later, but I still ended up getting a little bit oily. I've not touched up anything at all, so I think that it would last throughout a 7-hour day or longer. I wouldn't say wear it 24 hours just because it's not healthy, but I do think that it would last you for a actual regular work day, so kudos to them for that. I did do some pictures to just, you know, see what the flashback would look like, because this does have SPF 25 in it. As it's, you know, summer is approaching, this would be a good summer foundation. Maybe, I don't know, the oil part scares me a little because I don't want to look shiny in the summer, you know, and I'm already combination, so I don't know about that part. But I did take some pictures in the dark so that you guys could see what the flashback looks like. It's not terrible, but it ain't great either. Like, I'll do that. It's not terrible, but it's not great. It could also be the like way I was taking the pictures. I don't know, but you'll see them after this clip here, so you can see what all I was talking about. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any other products that you guys would like me to review, leave the suggestions down below in the description, in the comment section, and I'll be happy to get on that for you guys. And I'll see you in my next video.